Finding the right military tooling projects. Going into combat requires every soldier to be prepared. They just never know what they really expect when they get into hostile environments or somewhere that is only remotely accessible. This is why many soldiers insist that they have the necessary tools for military engagement. The tools actually vary depending on where the military personnel are assigned, or it could also vary on the task that they have to perform when on location. Having these tools on hand, especially when assigned to remote areas, are sometimes crucial for survival. Military tooling products could come in handy in several ways, like establishing a fire or building a temporary shelter in the wilderness. For most people who know what it's like to be in the military, they would generally know what to expect and what the profession requires of them. Just like a carpenter, people from the military, especially soldiers assigned in a variety of fields, would need to have the right tools to get the job done. A soldier assigned in the field might need to cut wood, dig holes, and even pound on something. Thus, specific military tooling parts are essential when putting together a survival kit. While it is not mandatory, it is highly recommended that soldiers have the necessary items at their disposal for accomplishing the tasks at hand. The essential military tooling projects. One of the highly essential military tools that are recommended for every soldier is the cable dog tool. It is a pocket tool that is developed for the U.S. military communications personnel. Almost like a Swiss Army pocket knife, the cable dog tool is made up of several different items into one package. These items include cable cutters, spring-loaded wire cutters, locking combo edge knife, a Cat 5 jacket cutter, wire strippers, RJ45 crimpers, and multiple drivers. This tool comes in handy when soldiers need to cut cables and wires to work on communicating devices or similar devices that are pivotal in their operation. The use of precision military tooling parts will enable the supplier to create specific tools like the multipliers, or Leatherman as it is commonly referred to. This tool is a multifunctional, and it usually comes with 12 integrated components. These usually include a needle nose pliers, wire cutters or strippers, a serrated blade, a straight blade, medium and large flat head screwdrivers, scissors, Phillips screwdrivers, bottle opener, a can opener, a saw, a lanyard ring, and an awl. However, users should manage their expectations because these tools are not big enough to handle bulky objects or tasks. For example, the saw could cut a small branch and figs, but not exactly meant for cutting down trees or even wood meant to be used for fire logs. These tools are meant only for the objects that are the appropriate for their sizes. The obvious military tooling projects. Overall, the need for the right military tooling projects is necessary. While some may argue that a screwdriver has no use in combat, well, they might just have to think again. Everything, including the smallest and the slightest less valuable thing, might come in handy, especially in matters that concerns one's survival. One of my favorite shows in the late 80s and early 90s was a show called MacGyver. Some of you know exactly what I'm talking about. The term MacGyver became synonymous with the ability to take various items or non-specific tools and creating or making them usable for specific tasks. Many of the military tooling project suppliers have embraced this concept to produce items with various uses. The manufacturing of military tooling projects. Many of these tools are precision designed and produced using state-of-the-art technology. One of the metal fabricating machines that would be used to create specific military tooling projects would be the 5-axis CNC machine. Using robotic machining has allowed these specific tools to be mass-produced in incredible accuracy and speed, making sure that our military men and women are getting the very best tools that are available to them when they need them. That is why Temecula Precision is dedicated to producing these parts for specific military tooling projects. And because they use state-of-the-art technology, they are able to produce quality products with quick turnaround times. To find out more about how Temecula Precision can help you produce the right military tooling project. Give them a call today at 951-699-4066 or visit their website at www.temeculaprecision.com.